Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Derek Lodge, or D-Lo for short. If you're new here, welcome. So today is just going to be a sound comparison of the Theragun G3PRO and the Theragun Pro, like the newer model. So that's all this is going to be. I finally got an external mic, so hopefully it can pick up the sound well. So this right here is the new one. This is the old one. This is the old one. Speed 1. Okay, this is the new one. So there's a few different settings, but this is the lowest one, 1750. $1900. $2100, $2200, $2400. $2,200, $2,100, $1,900, $1,750. Okay, that was the sound test. Which one did you think was louder or quieter? Let me know in the comments below.
Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to be notified when I make more videos. See you soon.